Tired of messy HDMI cables running across your living room or conference table? What if you could send your laptop or TV box signal wirelessly and actually have it work without lag or setup headaches? Today we're checking out the llano S850 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit, a plug-and-play wireless HDMI setup that promises full HD performance, zero software, and up to 165 feet of range. We'll test how easy it is to use, how well it handles streaming and gaming, and whether it's worth buying in 2025. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jim from Couch Potato Cafe, where we break down the best streaming tech and gadgets for your setup. If you like simple, useful tech reviews, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Now, let's get wireless. Out of the box, you get two small units, the transmitter, labeled TX, and the receiver, labeled RX. Each has an HDMI port, a USB-C power input, and LED indicators to show connection status. The center input does nothing but a way to plug in the other and hold them together. The build feels lightweight but solid, kind of like a premium streaming dongle. You also get a short HDMI, a window USB-C cable, and a USB-C cable included in the box. The llano S850 uses a dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless connection, claiming up to 50 meters or about 165 feet of range. It supports 1080p at 60 Hz output, though it can accept a 4K input signal and automatically downscale it. There's no software, no driver, and no Wi-Fi network needed. Everything happens directly between the transmitter and receiver. Setup is insanely easy. Plug the transmitter into the USB-C output of your laptop, smartphone, camera, gaming console, or even a streaming stick and TV box. Then connect the receiver to your TV or projector's HDMI input. Both units draw power through USB-C, and they'll even pass power from your device if it supports it. Within about 10 seconds, the two devices automatically pair. No passwords, no menus, just plug in, and your screen pops up wirelessly. It's seriously that simple. I didn't need to touch any settings or connect to Wi-Fi. The llano S850 just did its thing automatically. Now let's talk performance, because this is where most wireless HDMI kits struggle. I tested the llano S850 in a few real-world situations. First, a simple movie stream from a laptop to a TV about 10 feet away. The signal came through instantly. No lag, no dropouts, and the image looked crisp. Next, I tried screen mirroring from a phone and YouTube playback. Same result, buttery smooth. But how about gaming? I played a few laps of Beach Buggy. Input lag was minimal but noticeable, good enough for casual gaming. But if you're into competitive play, you'll still want a wired connection. Still, for open spaces or direct line of sight, this thing performs impressively well. So here's what stood out after a week of testing. The pros: plug-and-play simplicity, no apps, no setup, just connect and go. Solid range, around 50 feet without any interference. Dual-band stability. Handles crowded Wi-Fi areas better than older models. Power pass-through. Type-C lets you charge your laptop or power both units easily. Portable and compact, perfect for presentations or portable projectors. And now the cons. Output is limited to 1080p. Even though it accepts 4K input, you won't get a true 4K picture. Lag for fast gaming. Fine for movies and shows, but serious gamers might feel the delay. Walls affect range. Keep line of sight whenever possible. Compared to other wireless HDMI kits in the same price range, the llano S850 sits comfortably in the middle. Not the cheapest, but one of the easiest to use. If your main goal is clean presentation, like connecting a laptop to a projector without dragging a 20-foot cable, so is the llano S850 wireless HDMI kit worth it? If you want a quick, reliable way to mirror your screen without cables, absolutely. It's fast, simple, and it just works. For 1080p streaming, it's a fantastic buy under $80. I put a link in the description that is selling for $65 at the time of this video. If you're looking for native 4K or zero-lag gaming, you'll want to spend a bit more. But for most people, the llano S850 checks every important box. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next tech breakdown. Check the links below for the latest deals on the Llano S850 and other wireless HDMI options we recommend. Until next time, stay connected and stay cable-free.